Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blow.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel if you're new here. So as y'all can tell by the title below, today we're going to be doing my hair in this slick old middle part with curls. If y'all want to see how I got my hair this way and keep on watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. And let's just jump straight into the video. Hey y'all, so this is me after I just freshly washed and conditioned my hair. Now I'm about to comb it out with a wide tooth comb because period, who combs their hair out with a rat tail comb? I'm tender-headed, and if y'all tender-headed like me, comment down below tender-headed so I can know all my tender-headed girlies. Okay, so the next step is to go in with some type of hair oil. I love this coconut oil. It smells so good, y'all. It smells so fruity. I put that in my hair before I blow dry. Then I'll also add some heat protective spray before I blow dry my hair as well, and also before I flat iron. So the next thing I do after I blow dry my hair is figure out what I want my part to be. Obviously, this will be a middle part, so I parted it down the middle, see where I want my part to be. I typically like to leave out as a little leave out as possible. My hair is kind of on a thicker side, so I don't need that much hair left out. And of course, I never want to have too much hair left out if I don't need it. So the next thing I do after I braid down my leave out, I take a little bit of hair out on the sides because I typically like hair out on the sides when I'm doing the middle part because I just want it to look as natural as possible. Y'all, as I'm recording and doing this voiceover right now, I can tell my edges need a little bit more. They need a little bit of help. They need a little bit of help, baby. They need a little bit of help. So, y'all, I am not the best braider. If you know me, you know that I really don't know how to braid. Like, I know how to braid, but I don't know how to braid to the scalp to make a real nice, actual tight braid. So here I'm trying to braid down the sides of the leave out that I left out on the sides where my edges will be. One side clearly didn't go as well, but the other side I braided it down real good. Okay, so the next step is to braid down the perimeter of your head. I braid all my braids straight down and then I connect them all in the back. got them Cleo braids, baby, you ain't doing it right. If you ain't got them Cleo braids, you ain't doing it right. Your hair should look just like Cleo. Offset it off up under that stocking cap, and that's how you know you're doing the right thing. So y'all know I just told y'all I can't braid the best. I can do a basic braid, but I can't braid the best. So I had my sister help me stick my hair up under the stocking cap in the back because it just was not going. And because my hair is kind of cut blunt because I had my ends cut, it was really kind of hard to braid the whole braid down and actually get it to stay in a braid. Okay, so the next step is me taking this concealer and then go Pro and just outlining where my leave out is so that I don't put no glue or no protective glue over that spot, because if you get protective glue or hair glue on your leave out or on your edges, it is extremely hard to get it off. So be careful. Next step after, I just take this Got to Be Free spray and spray that all over the stocking cap. So this is very vital for your quick weave or pronto that you're doing on yourself. You need this protective glue. You need it so they can keep the glue from getting inside of your natural hair underneath the stocking cap. It really helps out a lot. Do not skip this step. If y'all want y'all quick weave or pronto to last a little while, y'all need to, and also if you don't want no hair glue inside of your natural hair, y'all need to get this protective glue. Don't do no quick weave, no prontos without this protective glue, because you will be mad when it comes time to take it out. You're going to have hair glue all in your hair. You're going to have to comb all of that off. So here I'm going in again with the Got to Be Free spray and just spraying that on top of the protective glue to make sure this stocking cap is hard and will not go nowhere, okay? So of course the next step is to blow dry that stocking cap. You can't even move on to the next step and glue down no tracks unless that stocking cap is dry solid. So the hair I'm using today, or typically use in general for my quick use and prontos, is a Remy Model Dream Weaver hair. This time I got this in 16 inches and also 14 inches. So the first thing you want to do after you take the hair out of the pack is unravel all of the hair because it's all on one track. Once you unravel the hair, you'll just take the track and just measure it to the back of your stocking cap and see where you need to cut it to be able to start gluing down your tracks. And as you can tell, I've already went through all of that. It's just a repeated cycle. You just glue the tracks down to your liking. If you want your hair to be in front of your face a little bit to give you like that full effect, or like, you know, kind of cover your forehead or whatever, you will lay the tracks in like a U shape, a U form, instead of just straight across from edge to edge, if that makes any sense. So here I'm just combing all of the hair out after I laid all of the tracks, making sure everything is even and whatever. I typically like to do a blunt cut on my hair, especially when I'm doing the middle part. So that's what I'm doing right now. You guys can see that I'm just cutting the hair on each side. So the next step is to feather on the hair. Of course, you got to feather on the hair as soon as you do it, but you definitely need to feather on your hair before you start to try to curl it. I don't know why, y'all, but it's just always seemed like it's a better outcome when you feather on your hair with a rat tail comb and you had that comb right there while you feather on it. It's always going to come out A1. Okay, y'all, so right here, I'm attempting to do layers in my hair. I never cut layers in my hair before, but I just love the way that layers look, and especially middle parts with curls. I literally love the way layers look. So that's what I'm trying to attempt here. This is my first time trying to layer my hair, but y'all let me know down in the comments if I did good or not. So after I attempt to cut my layers, of course I go back in with a little bit of oil. Want to get that hair a little silky, shiny look. Slap some oil on there, reflat on it again. So the next step, after I flat on my hair, I go in with my Cantu protective shield spray and spray that all over my leave out so I don't get no heat damage. We don't want no heat damage, okay, y'all? We don't want no heat damage. So make sure y'all use a protective spray on y'all leave out when y'all doing y'all prontos and quick weaves. If you don't look like a peacock after you lay them tracks down, baby, you ain't do it right. You ain't do it right, honey. Do you hear me? But yeah, you supposed to look like a peacock just like this. Have your leave out looking just like that. And that's how you know you laid them tracks down right, honey. So yeah, I don't know what happened to the clips after I flat on my leave out, but next thing I'm going to do is go in with my shaping hole spray that down on the leave out, make sure that stick that down real good so it ain't got no flyaways. Then after that, I attempted to curl my hair. It did not come out as good as I wanted it to because I really don't know how to curl, y'all. I really need a tutorial. But thank y'all for watching this video. See you on the next one.
I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. I swear I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking.